This video is going to show you how to make stuffing. You're going to need 4 cups of broth, either beef, turkey, chicken, or pork, 1/4 cup of butter, 6 pieces of toast, and a box of stuffing mix. You can use turkey, pork, chicken, whatever kind of stuffing you like to make. We're going to put our broth and butter in the microwave for 5 minutes. Once you have heated your broth up for 5 minutes in the microwave, we're going to take our toast and just break it up into pieces. Throw it in. This is 6 pieces of Italian bread toasted. You can use whatever kind of bread you like. I just think Italian bread tastes better. In the stuffing. And just break it up in pieces, just like that. This is just an easy way to make stuffing. And it tastes like it took you all day. So far in here we have 4 cups of broth, 1/4 cup of butter, and 6 pieces of toast. Now, to that we're going to add our box of stuffing mix, which has all the spices in it, so I don't add any more spices to it. Then we're going to mix it all up with a fork until everything's coated with the broth and mixed together good. After it's mixed up real good, then kind of pat it down so it's in the broth, so everything gets coated with liquid. Then we're going to put the lid back on. We're going to put it back in the microwave on high for 7 minutes. Our stuffing has just come out of the microwave. We're going to mix it with a fork again. Fluff it up a little bit. Okay. See how all the liquid has soaked into the bread really nicely. And that is your easy stuffing. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy your stuffing for Thanksgiving. Till next time.